this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Canva server error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the server status of Canva. For that, open a new tab and type in Canva server status and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one, the official one. You'll be directed to this page. This page shows where the Canva services, including the editor, login system, and overall platform are operating normally. If there is an outage or scheduled maintenance, the issue is likely on Canva's side and you will simply need to wait until the service is restored. However, if everything appears operational, the problem is probably related to your browser or device. The next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. For that, click on three dots, navigate to the option settings, head over to the option privacy and security. Now click on delete browsing data. Check in for all available options over here and click on delete data and confirm it. Next up, head back, click on the option site settings. Now click on the option third-party cookies. Click on see all data, site and permission. Now here search for Canva. After it appears, click on the trash icon and confirm it. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is check if you have any browser extensions installed. Click on three dots, go to extension, click on manage extension. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, and script blocking tools can sometimes interfere with Canva's connection to its server. Temporarily disable these extensions and then reload Canva to see if the issue is resolved. If none of these solutions work, perform a hard refresh of the page. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5 and on Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces your browser to load the latest version of the page directly from Canva server instead of relying on cached content. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.